Well, good day, tubes. How's she hanging? Pretty good here. So we got part of the new computer parts in today. Wanted to show you. Now you're just kind of sitting on the table there, a little shaky, as you can see. So I should probably move you to a better location. 1 second, hang on. Let's move you somewhere where it's not so, shaky. Okay, I can't find another better spot for you. I'm just using my iPhone right now with my little standy guy thing. You can't really see it in the picture, but anyways, I have opened this already. Just wanted to check it out, and hopefully we don't shake her too much. We'll try not to. Oh, I'm shaking it. I'm sorry, I'm shaking it. It's a weird little standy thing here. It just doesn't have much articulation in the head of the thing, but we'll get you off after there, maybe when we look at this, but we'll get it on package here first. So, there is the bill of sale. Woo-wee! Computer parts are expensive. Shipping was cheap though, $9. Come from Richmond Hill, Ontario. Pardon me, so it's not too bad. So it's got all the description of what I've got in here. Ooh, a pillow. Okay, so it's kind of a weird way to ship stuff. Very expensive, but we have an Intel Core i7 8700 going from a 4750, I think, to an 8700. I guess that's good. I don't know. Okay, and there is the motherboard. Oh, let's have a look at this thing. All right, there we go. Asus Prime Z370-A2. I guess that's what that means. And I've already opened it and had a look inside, but we're gonna check this out here. Should be pretty good. Pull it out for now. And under here should be all the bits and pieces and stuff. And SATA 3 cables. That's good. I'll probably just use my other ones. Ooh, DVD of some sort. Some sort of driver, I guess. There's some little screws. I imagine they're probably for mounting down the motherboard, although I thought they would have given more than that. There's a little plug for something. I don't know, HDD LED, plus and minus, ground reset, NC, P LED, I don't know, power LED maybe for the computer, for the case. I guess this guy's falling out of here, whatever this thing is. SLIHB bridge, I don't know what that is. And some face plates for the feller. And there should be a book here. That's good because it's been a while since I used to actually build computers back in the good old Pentium 2 slot slammed together, Pentium 2 days. Well, there's cooling fans and stuff. We're going to use our stock cooling fan we have now on our CPU. I've got some of that paste ordered. Now I have to do some reading here. Some of the thermal paste ordered to go on the top of the CPU. Let's do all that. Should be awesome fun. Let's put all this back in here for now. Like I said, I'll have to do some reading to refresh myself because it's been a while since I've built a computer. So give me a sec, I'll get this guy out here and we'll take a look at him. Well, that's kind of cool. There's lots of neat heat-sinky things and stuff on them. There's where your CPU goes, and of course your memory. I've got 32 gig coming. I think everything is pretty much labeled on here. It's kind of hard to see. External fan, USB, fans, power LED. I'll have to figure all that out. Should be fairly straightish forward, I would assume. And there's your stuff on the back. Interesting, that little plasticky cover on the top there. kind of chiselly there, but there's all your mount screws too, so they'll mount down into the case, I would hope. So anyways, and that's our video card slot, I believe, there. Dual video, or even 3 video cards. I still don't understand what these little guys are. They're still putting them on. They must be for something. PCI EX1. Yeah, this is PCI EX 16 times slot, 16 times slot, and 16 times slot. You got 3 video cards in that? That's just insane. What do you do when you need to have 3 video cards? Holy cow. I don't really know what those guys are there, but they don't seem to do anything. Yeah, and then the main power, I guess, is there. Something CPU, something there. And now this little guy unclips and flips up, and then you got to remove this plastic cover. Then you slam your CPU, well, don't slam, but place your CPU down there, and put this guy down. That locks. Whoop! Hang on a sec here. I messed her up. It's one of those little flippy guys. There you go. That would lock your CPU in. Your CPU would be here. Pardon me, I got a bit of a cold happening. Then you put your jelly gooey stuff on there, and then it mounts to these. The fan should mount to these 4 bolts there. And then of course the RAM there should be good. I really don't know what they change. Oh, and these things from board to board, you know, you think the board's a board, but it's not apparently. So yeah, well, got a lot of figuring out to do. Oh man, excuse me. There's our new brain. It's good because I need a new brain. Wouldn't mind looking at this guy too, maybe. Let's get him open here. Hang on a sec. All right, I got the zippers ripped apart here, zipped apart. It's hard to do this with one hand because the other hand's holding the camera. Most of this box is... Oh, maybe there's a cooler in here. I never thought of that. I bet you there is. Oh, there is too. Sweet! Didn't think of that. Intel Core processor. So if I hit the... Yeah, there's a cooler in there. Sweet! How the crap... How the crap did they get that in there? This, I think, this... Holy jumping. It's a well-engineered box, apparently. Oh, it's already got stuff on it. It does. I didn't know that. Well, isn't that clever? I don't need that stuff. Then we could actually slam this CPU in tonight. I do believe that is the thermal paste right there. That'll melt to the chip. That's kind of cool. I probably won't slam this together tonight, but I can figure out how to do this with one hand with wrecking the chip. Darn CPUs. Hang on a sec. There we go. Hard to believe that thing was worth, what is this thing worth? This CPU is $400 for a little wee guy like this. $400 hairs. Isn't that insane? Wow, they're sure making these a little different now. There's no pins on them like there used to be. It's just connectors. I'm used to like the pins, so there should be, yeah, there's an arrow on here. I know they used to cut one edge off. So under here, oh boy, which way does that go now? I would think, boy, I have to really look at that. 1, 2, 3. I think it goes this way, if I'm right. That little arrow, I believe, goes to this corner. Wow, that's amazing what that little thing does. Craziness. Holy cow. And it's worth so much money. Okay, so I do believe I was right. I'm going to try to zoom in here. You can see They were marked a lot better before, but right here there's a little tabby guy and a little tabby guy. On the chip, it should go this way. There's a little tabby guy there and a little tabby guy there, and I believe that arrow is supposed to point down to this corner. So that's kind of cool. Should we put that in or not? I don't know. I'm nervous. Well, let's slam it in. Why not? What do we got to lose? Except 400 bucks. Yeah. So we got to get this guy off. I don't really know why they put that on there, but it should just kind of clip off. Yep. We're good. There's my new CPU. It's got no brain. That works great. Okay, let's get this expensive thing out. Oh, I hope I'm doing this right. They're so much smaller now too, where it's pretty much impossible to screw up the. Pretty much impossible to screw up the Pentium 2s when I used to do those fellers way back. Boy, that's going back to like a long time ago. Okay, probably should have a bunch of gloves on. Doing this, oh, it's so nice. That's so expensive. It's all for you guys. Oh, yeah, that looks good. Okay, that's, ooh. Let's get you zoomed in there a little better. Okay, so here we go. Oh, look at that. It almost belongs there. That's so awesome. And that goes down. That slides in. Oh, we installed our brain. That's actually pretty slick. That's pretty cool. Works really good. Now, I got to read a little bit about this and make sure that is thermal paste on there. I am not sure. Okay, so they do make this extremely simple without words. So, you know, open the Dewey. Sorry, flip. Oh, come on. Flip the Dewey open, stick your chip in. Doesn't give you any word instruction at all. Yeah, that one. And then flipper shut, closer, yeah, we're good. And then mount the CPU fan and twist those guys in, but it doesn't really give you, like, you know, 90-degree turn, by bang. And then we're taking it off again all of a sudden. I don't know. Whatever, but they give you no instructions. We're into limited warranty stuff, so I'm actually probably going to take the CPU out again, and I just wanted to try it because it's so cool. I'm probably going to take it out again before, no, we should get this probably mounted in the computer first, so take it out again. Oh, relieve the pressure. Maybe I shouldn't take it out again. It'd actually probably be alright in there, I would think. Well, maybe not the fan on yet. Yeah, what the heck, we'll just leave her in. I don't remember where it is. Let's mount it again. Gosh, that's tight. Ugh. Alright, she's in. Pardon me. But we'll wait for our fan installation, I think, until we get it into the computer box. Probably be a better idea. And where CPU fan, right there. Okay, so this feller should, it's gonna not put her down, but it looks like it's gonna mount there pretty good. And actually I could almost get away, maybe go this way. Or even this way, and then slam that right down there. But it's going to interfere with, yeah, we're going to have to unbuckle all that, I guess. Darn it. Holy jumping, how are you supposed to get these unbuckled without wrecking the cables? Maybe you're not supposed to. Okay, so I don't know, I got this thing off here. I'm not too sure if I did this right or not, but that should click onto this guy, and the plug there lines up with the little plastic tab on there. CPU OPT optional maybe. So that guy should, I don't want to slam it down, but some jackass already's got his finger stuck in it, so it's a good thing I got thermal paste coming, because I'll have to redo that now. Didn't even think about it. But yeah, that should slam onto there. Okay, that's good. Good to know. Good to know. And we haven't got the RAM yet. And you know what? Where are, just thinking about it, where do my hard drives plug in? It's got to be here somewhere. They're, is that what this thing is, maybe? No? Yes? Where the heck is this supposed to go then? I don't get it. Gonna have to read some things here. Maybe I'm missing something so far. Am I missing something? Am I missing something somewhere? Whoop. I don't know, I'm gonna have to read the book, I guess. I'm all noob. Frickin' noob. SLI bridge. No, that's not what these plug into. Okay. They're like a little L-shaped kind of guy, but you know what, I'm probably staring right at it. Why am I not seeing it though? Okay, let me read a book off. Oh my gosh, I feel so stupid. I didn't look into these things far enough, but that's where they all plug into. That makes sense. Okay. I get it now. I just looked at that. I'm like, well, that can't be what it is. But it is. That's what it is. That's what it is. So, yeah, we got our memory coming, and I got another hard drive coming, and then we'll have to get the machine stripped down. Somehow, I'm going to have to film it on this guy, so I can render it through my phone and then upload it that way, in case I have problems with something. Because stranger things have happened, right? So, anyways, let's just put all this stuff maybe back in here for now. I'll just put her away for now, put her back in that bag. Okay, everything's away right now, and whenever we get... I'll do all that with one hand, but whenever we get the... oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Good enough. Whenever we get the rest of the parts, we'll get tearing our computer apart and assembling this. Should be all right. We'll get her on the table here. I might have to film it with my other camera because this is a bit of a nuisance if you have to keep holding the camera all the time. I got tripods, but we'll have to use the other camera. So hopefully if you see that video come up whenever we do assemble it and get it going, if you saw it, you know it worked. Because it'll be that computer that rendered that video. So this one, unfortunately, is done on our iPhone. But anyways, there we go. We're getting her started. We'll get a new computer started here, and hopefully that solves all our issues rendering and the CPU lagging and stuff. So there we go. Thanks again. We'll catch you all later, and you guys have a good day.